Home gardening ideas to have plants that are hard to kill and also low maintenance, permanent and easy to grow. What are the best placements of these low maintenance plants? So stay tuned to Tamara's garden. Beautiful varieties of alocasia. Look at these leaves. Beautiful, wonderful creation of nature. And look at these, how huge. And if you really want to see the size of the plant, look at this. It's in a grow bag. And look at the tiny ones appearing. So these alocasia plants, varieties of mine, are really very hard to kill. And they are easy to grow, very easy. Only thing is provide them shade. Provide these plants semi-shade. And also no fertilizer needed. I have not given any fertilizer. So these are beautiful alocasia which you can grow very easily, low maintenance and permanent plants. They grow from bulbs and you can water them sparingly. Not regular watering is necessary. And also if you put them on the ground you will see huge growth. So these are beautiful indoor plants too. So grow these beautiful low maintenance plants if you are a beginner or a player, or if you are a lazy gardener. So these are ideal plants. Some more varieties of alocasia. Beautiful and healthy shade plants. They need lot of sunlight. No watering is needed. You can put small stems in direct soil sunlight in the morning for these plants. Grow them in soil and water both. And also these plants are hardy and permanent plants. Very easy to grow. Low maintenance and permanent succulent plants. They belong to the family of succulents. Put them in small planters. These are huge leaves of Monstera Swiss cheese plant. Look at this. These plants are also easy to grow from stems and they are also low maintenance and hardy plants. No fertilizer is necessary and also you can put them in medium to small planters. When the plant matures, you can transfer them to bigger planters. Pandanus plants, another variegated leafy plant, very low maintenance, very hardy plant. If you are a beginner gardener, bring this plant, ideal for your entrance or for your indoor garden. Make your home garden look beautiful. This is another suggestion for your hardy plants collection. When small pups appear from the plant, you can separate them. Now look at this. This is a small one. So you can put in a new planter. Any location in your home garden will do for this plant because they are hardy, permanent. Even in the bright light area they will grow. And as an indoor plant also you can grow this beautiful pandanus plant. Next beautiful home garden plant is this Syngonium plant. In your house plants collection, a must-have plant. Look at the beauty. I have many plants out of these. I have made many, separated and multiplied many plants also. This is another beautiful plant for your plants collection. Look at the variegation and there are many varieties. One of the best hardy plants. Low maintenance, permanent, ideal for a beginner too. So make your home garden beautiful with this Syngonium plant. Keep it in partial to medium sunlight area. That's really very beautiful, isn't it? Aloe vera, the medicinal plant, good for our hair and skin care routine. So these are beautiful aloe vera, a must-have plant in your garden, a very hardy plant, easy to maintain, easy to grow. So beautiful home garden idea plant to make your garden beautiful. Not only that, very beneficial. It's a great rooting hormone. So have this plant in your home garden. Bird nest plant. Bird nest plant is one of the plants that you must have as a beginner. Do not need any fertilizer, any maintenance. Once you put it in your garden where it gets the partial to medium sunlight, these huge plants will make your garden so decorative. This is a great idea to have your home garden beautiful. So this house plant is one of the low maintenance hardy plants. Look at this. Just keep it in your garden. Ideal for a beginner gardener too. Pedilanthus plant, another beginner gardener's plant. You can grow with a single stem. You can put them in a medium to small plant even. This is also ideal plant for indoors. And also this is a beginner gardener's and low maintenance, hard to kill plant. No need of regular watering. ZZ plants. So ZZ plants also you can grow with low maintenance, no need to put fertilizer. These plants you can grow with a single stem or else with a leaf. So these are beautiful beginner gardeners plants, and also these are hardy plants. So when talking about problems, look at this. Now where I have kept is not indoors, not outdoors, but in a place where it gets a partial to medium sunlight in an entryway of my home. So this is the reason of getting too much of rainy water. So that also you'll have to consider, either these plants are getting too much of water. So now I have to cut it from this stem and put it away because that will affect the plant growth. Beautiful and colorful philodendron plants. They are also hardy plants. You can propagate them with a small stem which has the node. So they are also like the growth of pothos plants, easy with a stem. And also you can allow them to grow with a supporter. So mostic will do, and these plants are also hardy plants. Look at this plant. This looks like wandering Jew. I just put a small cutting in a pot. But the pot was ample and the plant grew like nothing. Look at this. There are two shades. Here's green and the other side is light purple. So this is another plant for your plants collection. Very hardy plant. No need to regular water and no need to fertilize. Look at these spider plants. Here I have flame violet plant also growing in the same pot. All are low maintenance, hardy plants. They are air purifiers, and I have uploaded many videos onto my channel about taking care of spider plants. You can watch them with your time. They grow from runners. Look at these runners. There are many plants. Growing beautiful aglaonema varieties gives us happiness as indoor plants. Look at the colors. And look at this lipstick aglaonema. And this is snow white plant. So these plants you can grow very easily. Make sure time to time you put them in the low light area. Our small tip, friends, these variegated plants should get some sunlight. So if you have kept them indoors, time to time taking them outdoors will give them a boost to their growth. If you want to make your garden decorative, then a good idea is these coleus plants. Have many varieties of coleus in your garden as the hedge plants, so that they are very decorative and colorful. These are low maintenance, permanent, and also these plants are beginner gardeners plants. You don't have to fertilize them. They will color your garden for some time. After that again you will have to put cuttings, new cuttings, because to grow them time to time, giving them a boost, or else putting new cuttings will be helpful, because after some time these plants look leggy regrow. Grow these plants time to time from cuttings. You can multiply them very easily. Beautiful fern plants are also low maintenance and hardy plants. Only thing is you have to place them in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. No bright sunlight for these. They are ideal indoor plants and low maintenance. No fertilizer also needed. They are so beautiful. So friends, today I covered up about growing hardy plants and also what we call as the permanent and low maintenance plants. I hope you find this video to my channel. Don't forget to give it a big like and also subscribe if you are new. And do not forget to share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, friends.